S250 TG ARGB mid-tower case. So friend, a mid-tower case with a unique expansion slot feature and the ability to mount large 420 mm radiator, and the case comes with two color variants, black and white. It is characterized by a large mesh intake along the front with three pre-installed 140 mm ARGB illuminated fans, and this can make way for a large 420 mm by 140 mm radiator or something smaller, and the case features a conventional horizontally partitioned layout. The upper compartment with motherboard tray offers room of up to 40 cm for graphics card with nothing in the way, at least 32 cm with radiator in place. CPU coolers up to 16.5 cm in height, and the PSU bay in the bottom compartment has clearance for 22 cm. Right next to the motherboard tray are two 120 mm fan mounts that point towards right side panel, which is perforated in the area, and you can mount another 240 mm by 120 mm radiator here, and the top panel has an additional 3 120 mm bands, and 360 by 120 mm radiator can be mounted here. A unique aspect of the case is that its 7 expansion slot can be rotated 90 degrees to create vertical slots, so you can vertically mount a graphics card that's a thick S5 slots, and a drive case in bottom compartment holds two 3.5-inch drives or two 2.5-inch drives. There are two additional 2.5-inch mounts, and the left side panel is made of 4 mm thick tempered glass. Front panel connectivity include two Type A USB 3.2 port, 4-pole headset jack, and the case measures 218 by 462 by 490 mm. But friend, company didn't reveal the pricing yet. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.